you remember, we have reviewed iBFree Bluetooth earphones early this year. Well, now it has got a new updated version, which is far more better than the last one. So with that said, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. But before that, if you're new to this channel and like the content, of course, consider subscribing. Let's get started. You know, a good pair of wireless earphones has become a necessary, and as I earlier claimed, 1MORE produces one of the best earphones under budget, which clearly knocks off with the price to performance ratio. Alright, now let's kickstart with its design. The iBFree Sport looks pretty identical to that of the original iBFree. The driver unit is cylindrical and the ear tips are angled inwards for a better fit. Moreover, the wingtips keeps the earphones locked in your ears. This is a lightweight aluminum constructed earphones, coming at just 14 grams. Much like the original iBFree, this earphone is also exceptionally comfortable to wear. I used to take it out for running and gym purposes, and I don't have to worry about these falling out, which clearly resembles the fit of this earphones is great. The new one comes with a power button which is circular in shape and is tactile. By making the buttons distinct, 1MORE has found a pretty elegant way of solving a problem, which is power on and off. Anyway, the other change is that it is IPX6 rated, which makes it resistant to splashes and can handle sweat, of course. Coming to the audio quality, the first generation of iBFree was lacking lower end performance, which is now compensated by the new one. The bass production of the earphone is pretty good. The mids and highs are extensively satisfying, like the last one. This headset comes with a control pod, the circular button for power, while the central button acts as play, pause, and forward, and the other two buttons acts as volume up and down. There is a micro USB port on the side for charging this headset. The battery life of these earphones are rated 8 hours on a single 2-hour charge, which is kinda accurate, and I got somewhere around 7 to 7.5 hours of battery life, which is great for the price you're paying. Well, now to the end of this video, what's the verdict? Well, the iBFree Sport Bluetooth earphone has a great design and has a great sounding quality, which everyone looks for and is definitely bang for the buck. Well, this earphone is priced at $2,749 on Amazon right now. Links in the description below. And if you want to know more about these earphones, we have written an in-depth review of these earphones on our blog, card above, and links again in the description below. Either way, that's it with this quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed and found this video useful, and if you did, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Until the next one, this has been Atish from TechDipper, signing off. Thanks for watching.